Okay, in case you read a bit on the Tilemap code, you may have noticed the SetColor code, that you pass a position and a color, like red. Well, let's use blue just to see a different one. Okay, that works as well, but it didn't work. And why is that? Well, there's some hidden logic on the tiles that their color are locked as standard. So you need to set tile flags, position and tile flags none. Okay, this is going to work because we need to unlock to change the color of that tile. Alright, so this worked. In case that is obnoxious and unnecessary, you can also change that in another way. Here on the inspector, right click and go from normal to debug mode. And here you can see those flags, lock color to none. Now you play. Oh, I have it true. Okay, you don't need this anymore. Ctrl K S. Play. And paint now works. Go back to normal.